In today's Happy Japan video, we're going to be talking about how to recalibrate your machine's touchscreen pen. So when we're here on our machine and nothing seems to be working, and we want to recalibrate the panel to make our touchscreen work again, we're going to want to make sure that we have a computer mouse, either wired or wireless. And we're going to come in here and plug it into either the front, or we have two USB ports here on the side. We're going to input it, and then now our machine has the capabilities, and we have a little mouse finger right here, capabilities of using our screen. So we'll come in here to our menus, we'll go to Other, click on Calibrate. The machine will start doing its recalibration process, and the only thing we'll have to do is grab our machine stylist pen to come here and select. So now that it's here, we have our little points that are going to pop up for us to touch them. So I recommend we use our stylus pen and try to get as center as possible to make sure that the touch capabilities are as accurate as possible. And now that we've done that, we should get our touchscreen capabilities back on our Happy Japan embroidery machine. So now everything works as normal.